Welcome to Mountain Mama Brick Oven, guys. This video is about me getting my pizza oven ready to cook some pizza one evening, and the whole process. First thing you got to do is stack your wood, get a nice burn. It's going to take about 2 or 3 hours. You want to get your flue heated up that you see here, and once it heats up, it's going to start drawing even better, and you'll start to see the smoke go right up the top of the chimney, which is something that I've always thought was really cool. Here you can see the air getting sucked back into, or pulled back into the flue from the draw from the chimney. So while we're waiting for the pizza oven to heat up, it's always fun to come over and say hi to the fish. I put this bar in for me and my friends while we were eating pizza or hanging out. We could come over here and see the koi swim around, and I really like it. Nice addition.
Fishbar.
This is probably one of my favorite parts, is when the fire really gets going. In a minute I'll have a thermal image of what the pizza oven will look like when it's heated up. Oh, there it is right there, yeah. It's fantastic. That's when you're gonna get, 700-800 degrees is what you're really aiming for. This is where you can see the draw working when the fire is really hot. This is one of my favorite parts. Snuff the fire out real quick and then open the door back up, and you can watch all the air rush in and then come right up the flue. In this image you're going to see the kind of path that the airflow takes as it gets pulled into the oven along the bottom and then circulates it and then gets pulled back up through the chimney and flue. Forgot to mention is that you need to heat up the hearth of the oven or the floor of the oven just as much as the dome. Move your fire around the oven often over the 3-hour heating period, and then when everything's turned to coals like this, make sure that you spread the coals out along the floor of the oven for a good 15 or 20 minutes to heat up those stones, and then push everything back into the back like I have here in this video.
When you nail your pizza perfectly out of your pizza oven.
And always, guys, thank you for the likes and subscribes. Follow along if you want to see more information about brick oven cooking from Mountain Mama Pizza Oven. Thanks.